Life360 Tile Setup Guide. So, beginner's guide on how to set up your tile. Anyways, go ahead and log into your Life360 app and then choose the circle you want from the circle switcher at the top. So in our case, we're going to be in the friend circle, and on your map screen, you can tap the keys icon at the bottom. So it's going to be this over here, the one right beside the pets, which is this. You have your items, you can go ahead and choose add an item, and if you are prompted, you're gonna have to enable these permissions. So just enable all the permissions they ask you to so that the process is much smoother. And from here, you can go ahead and activate the tile. So you're gonna keep the tile close to your phone while Life360 connects and activates it. Then you can just tap next when activation succeeds. You can just pretty much change or choose what the tile will be used for. You can enter a name, or you can set it up into whatever you want in the options that are available. Just save it and the tile will appear under your Life360 items and can also show on wherever it is currently on the map. So hopefully this video does help. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.